Hey there, gang, and welcome to the Locker Room. Coach Gigs here, and today's message, the idle mind is the devil's workshop. You know, many years ago, I was told this, and it has never left me. Ships and boats were built to sail the great seas and take you and me to places that will excite our senses. They were built to move and not stay still. Do you know what happens if a boat, small or big, sits in the water and does not do what it was designed to do? It collects barnacles on the bottom of the boat, and that boat becomes unseaworthy. Not long ago, I noticed my boat was not able to go at the speed or perform at its best that it was designed to do because it sat in my boat slip for over a month and collected barnacles and garbage underneath it. So I had the boat pulled out of the water, cleaned up, and guess what happened? She ran full speed, beautiful, perfectly smooth. The mind works the exact same way. If you don't actively use your mind every single day and do absolutely nothing but eat, drink, sleep, and watch TV, your brain will collect barnacles and you will die a slow death. Folks, negative thinking will attack you, and your attitude and how you feel will not be good. Remember that the most important relationship you and I have is the one with ourselves. You know, people ask me all the time, so Gigs, when are you going to retire? My immediate response back is, I'm already retired because I'm doing what I love to do. And I don't plan on stopping doing what I'm doing anytime soon until the good Lord takes me home. History shows all of us that so many people, not long after they retire, die or fall ill physically or mentally. Why? Because we weren't built to sit still. We need something to do, something to focus our minds and hearts and attention on, or we will be breathing, but we will no longer be living. So go out today and do whatever you're doing with great passion. Enjoy every minute of it. Whatever you do, fall in love with your work. Find ways to give back what you get from it. Remember, the idle mind is the devil's workshop. So get busy and do something you enjoy and that you can feel good about so that you can live your very best life. Thanks for joining me today's broadcast, gang, and we'll see you in tomorrow's. Bye-bye.